When working with B-Press, we strongly advise you comply with appropriate health and safety requirements using the correct personal protection equipment. It is vital that the pipe to be cut is securely held using an appropriate vise that will not damage the surface or affect the ovality of the pipe. The pipe should be cut with a proprietary pipe cutter, with a suitable wheel for the material you are working on. Please do not use a hacksaw or compound saw, as this can affect the success of the final joint and warranty. For preparation of the chamfer and deburr, it is recommended that a suitable tool is used. A clean dry cloth and permanent dart marker is also required. You will need for the jointing process a compatible compression press tool, complete with appropriate sized pressing jaws for the diameter of fitting that you are working on. Always check the tube for deep scratches, low spots or embedded dirt. Should you have any concerns regarding the tube area to be jointed, this should be cut back to a sound location for the jointing to take place. Using the tube cutter at the prescribed mark, cut the tube squarely, supporting the removed section as the cut completes. With the deburring tool, remove internal sharp edges, and then complete an external chamfer to allow the fitting to be inserted without damage to the seal rings. Finally, wipe the end of the tube with a clean cloth to remove any remaining dirt or swarf. Keep the fitting in its original sealed wrapping until required to stop contamination of any dirt, etc., finding its way on to the lubricated seal rings. Make sure the fitting and bag clearly show that it is suitable for the application you are installing, water or gas. Finally, open the bag and ensure the seals are correctly located in the correct placement and well lubricated. The fitting must slide onto the pipe without significant resistance until it reaches the internal tube stop. With the permanent marker pen, mark the tube where it meets the shoulder of the fitting. This will ensure that any tube movement is detected before the joint is pressed, and as a check after pressing. The marking must always remain visible. Open the press jaws and locate over raised bead on the fitting. Finally, check that the mark you made has not been disturbed. If it has, reinstate the pipe and fitting back to the mark. Keeping hands clear of the compression press tool jaws to press and hold the trigger of the tool until the press cycle is automatically completed. There is no need to repress the fitting after the original cycle has completed. Finally, check that the mark remains visible and in its original situ. The joint is made. By following these simple steps, the installation will be trouble-free for the installer and give the client a safe, durable and long-lasting installation.